that power in such a little locomotive? Here, I'm going to show you the inside. Put that, I'm going to put it right here. Here. Take the locomotive. Okay. Now, all you gotta do is do this. There. There's the body. This red light here is just from the camera, so just ignore that. And that's pretty much been in every one of my videos. Okay, so back to the train. Okay. So this is what runs that thing. I call it a thing because it's like a beast. It doesn't have a name. Well, actually it does. It's an MDT Plymouth. ATSF Santa Fe 332. So here's what runs it. See this little wheel here, gearbox. That's what makes it so loud. Copper wiring, little insulation, a lot of wires. So, you know, 4 wheels. So all you gotta do is just there. Put it back on. Yeah. And there it goes. Watch this. Bye. This thing's so fast, yet so loud and so tiny.